This classic functionality of Mr. Coffee's Simple Brew 4-cup coffee maker helps you make rich tasting, expertly brewed coffee without stress or mess. Should you need a cup before the brew cycle is finished, Grab a Cup Auto Pause is a lifesaver. It stops brewing so you can pour freely, and then finishes the brewing cycle after you place the carafe back in position. It also features a removable basket filter that lifts out for quick and easy filling and cleaning, whether you want a single cup or 4. This no-fuss automatic coffee maker will deliver the goods time after time. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dual water window. Dual water window gives a clear view of water level while filling to reduce overflows. Number 2. Removable filter basket. Lift and clean filter basket easily removes for fast and simple cleanup. Number 3. Power on-off. Power on-off indicator light displays coffee maker status. The power on light reminds you to shut it off. Number 4. Grab a Cup Auto Pause stops the cycle if you need a cup before brewing is finished. Number 5. A stain-resistant warming plate is easy to clean. Watts, 650. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.